Soca Therapy 2013 is a production of The Marketing Machine and The Source. Soca Therapy has been on the scene for 2 years, and I can assure you that each year it gets bigger and better. We're kicking off Soca Therapy 2013 with Girl Power. This is a fete just for the ladies. This is a time when the ladies can come out, let down their hair, leave their boyfriends at home, and just call up their girlfriends and have a good time. Our headliner for Soca Therapy this year is none other than the beautiful Patrice Roberts from Trinidad. Of course, we're going to feature our local acts such as Claudette, Tizzy, Tian, Ricardo Drew, of course the #1 jam band, 3 Cylinder, DJ Jime, Ibis, and DJ Woodfoot. So it's the best of Antigua and Trinidad on one stage. We are bringing the party atmosphere just for ladies. This year's Girl Power is going to be at Millers by the Sea, and I can assure you that it's going to be one night for the ladies and they won't forget it. Then we're moving into the most anticipated fete for Carnival. This is lots of liquor. The Cooler Fete. I can tell you that last year we exceeded our expectations. LOL, we took Antigua by storm. It was crazy. This is the only fete on the island where patrons can pack a cooler and party. LOL promotes camaraderie between friends and family. It's the end of the month. Y'all get together, you say, hey, somebody bring a bottle of Inca Shaba, somebody bring a bottle of El Dorado, somebody bring a bottle of Patron, and you get together and you just enjoy a party atmosphere. This year, we are taking LOL back to Splash Antigua. It is 98% local. We are showcasing our local acts this year. It is all gonna be crazy. It is just, I was surprised last year when I saw the turnout at LOL. We had Splash Antigua packed from corner to corner. We moved out of Millers in 2011 because we outgrew Millers. We had such a great turnout. But this year, I can assure you that LOL is going to be crazy. We do ask our patrons to drink responsibly. If you know you're going to drink and you can't drive, please appoint a designated driver. We want everybody to arrive alive, enjoy the fete, and get home safe. Security concerns with LOL, we have addressed it after looking back at post-mortem of the fete. We decided that we are going to be checking IDs for LOL. We're going to ensure that once you're not legal to drink, you will not be able to enter the fete. So this year for sure, we're going to take our security up a notch from last year to ensure that our patrons are safe, and after the fete, they get home safe as well. After LOL, we're moving into our premier fete. On July 20th, Antigua Massive, it's gonna be big. We're talking about Red Eye on July 20th at the ARG. Red Eye is where the bands meet and the people don't sleep. We party from night till morning. This is gonna be crazy. Our headliners this year is the power couple, none other than Faye and Lyons and Bungie Garland. And of course, we're going to feature the best out of Antigua as well. I can assure you that Red Eye this year, we're going to take the entertainment up a notch. It is going to be crazy, and we just want our patrons to have a good time. Red Eye has grown every year. Every year it gets bigger and better. Red Eye this year will be hosted by Super Diamond. So I can assure you that the party is going to be crazy. And of course, for the first time, we're going to have the #1 jam band on board for Red Eye, Burning Flames. So I can assure you that we are going to take Antigua by storm. This is where we come out of Red Eye all 7:30 in the morning. And indeed, we have seen a couple of Red Eyes after Red Eye. So we're going to have a great time, and I can tell you, it's going to be bigger and better this year. After Red Eye, we're getting insane. We're talking about ICE. Insane Cooler Experience. ICE is where our patrons can come out again with their cooler, but it gives them an opportunity to be creative. Last year, I remember ICE came on board for the first time, and I've seen so many creative coolers. It was crazy. Like, I've never seen anything like that before. I saw coolers being made out of barrels. I saw coolers being made out of foam boxes. It was crazy. ICE is on the 3rd of August. It's the Friday night before Soca Monarch. And I can assure you that it's going to be another insane experience. So if you by any chance happen to miss LOL, which I hope you don't, you can make up for the ICE. It's going to be the same crazy party atmosphere. Patrons gather their crews, they start the cooler, and they come and have a ball. This year, for Soca Therapy, we are not having any new fets. We're going to bring all the same fets back from last year because we had a great turnout and we want to build a name for these fets, so we're not going to do anything new this year. I can assure you that this year, of course, after ICE, on Juve morning, watch out St. John's because the devils are back. Yes, we are back on the road. We're ready to take St. John's Juve morning by storm. We're going to paint it blue. You know, as the song say, blue devils coming the way. Who get licked on, I don't care. Blue devils coming the way. That is on Juve morning. And of course, packages will be on sale at the source. So we're ready. After Blue Devils, after Juve morning, after Carnival is over, we are cooling it down. We're closing the curtains on the season. This is where we'll be having Skin. Skin is a beach rave. And of course, for Skin, less is more. Skin will be held at Ballychurch Beach this year. And it is time for us to say goodbye to the season. We're going to be starting Skin from 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And we're going to party right down till the evening. So this is our last fet for Soca Therapy. And we just want our patrons to come out. For all the Soca holics and Soca junkies, you can't afford to miss a dose of Soca Therapy. This is Sharice Adams, the junior marketer at the Marketing Machine, and see you at Soca Therapy. Blue devils coming the way. Who get licked on, I don't care. Blue devils coming the way.